In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Wells Fargo REO listings. Understanding what REO stands for is crucial when venturing into this area of real estate. REO means real estate owned, which refers to properties a bank now owns after foreclosure. Typically, these are sold as is and follow specific bank disposition rules. So keeping this in mind will set the foundation for what you can expect as you navigate the process. A good starting point is to check Wells Fargo's official property tools. They provide real estate tools and features for customers to list and search properties, primarily through their Come Home tools and asset management pages. It's wise to start with Wells Fargo's dedicated real estate pages, as these platforms can offer a direct line to the properties you are interested in. Next, you want to dive into the bank's REO portals or any affiliated REO pages. Most large banks, including Wells Fargo, have dedicated spaces online where they maintain their lists of REO properties. Some popular options include the reo.wellsfargo.com page or any other Wells Fargo REO listing page. If these are difficult to locate, try using the Come Home search tool, which can be very helpful. Registering as a buyer or agent might be necessary, as some banks require this for you to access full listing details or to make offers. Be sure to verify your account to ensure you receive all the listing details and notifications. Don't forget to sign up for alerts and monitor multiple channels. Besides bank portals, REO properties frequently turn up on sites like MLS, Zillow, Realtor.com, Auction.com, Hubzu, and local county foreclosure pages. Set up keyword or email alerts for Wells Fargo REO in your area to stay ahead of new listings. If you find any listing unclear or need more information, like asset manager details or offer requirements, contacting Wells Fargo's asset or REO support can be a good move. Partnering with an experienced REO agent is beneficial as well. These transactions often involve specific bank rules like short offer windows, as-is conditions, and particular documentation. An experienced agent can navigate MLS or portal listings quickly and submit compliant offers, giving you a competitive edge. When you're ready to inspect a property, always order an inspection or do a walkthrough if the bank permits. It's vital to check titles and liens and have your financing or proof of funds organized, because banks usually expect quick closings and clean documentation. As you're ready to make an offer, follow the bank's process closely. Carefully read the listing instructions, focusing on offer delivery, earnest money, timelines, and necessary forms, as banks often have unique REO offer packages. Be ready for counteroffers and possibly compromise on repairs, since banks might limit these for as-is sales. And if you're interested in becoming a Wells Fargo REO listing agent, familiarize yourself with their vendor or agent enrollment procedures. Some banks partner with panels of approved agents or vendors like Premier Asset Services. Reaching out to Wells Fargo's REO or vendor contacts is your first step to applying and starting that process. By thoroughly understanding these steps, you'll have what you need to successfully navigate and thrive in the world of Wells Fargo REO listings.